Hello mga ka-idol at ka-explore, and I'm here on the top of Adams Lookout. So I bought a ticket for 22 euros, so that's pretty much like close to $30 mga ka-idol at mga ka-explore. And here are their ticket prices. Ayan mga ka-idol, and here are the things that you will see from the top of Adams Lookout mga ka-idol and ka-explore. Ayan mga ka-idol, and they also have a giant swing here by the edge of the tower, so you can also try those if you guys not afraid with heights mga ka-idol and ka-explore. And they also have a small bar here on the tower. That are the things that you can see here from the top of Adams Lookout mga ka-idol. So I will suggest this place if you guys love to take pictures from the top. And if you want to take pictures from the top of the city of Amsterdam, I will suggest to you guys to visit this place. And also if you guys want to see the city lights at night, this would be a good spot for you to visit mga ka-idol and ka-explore. And I see you guys later.